Meet Connixt iMarq, the mobile-first, enterprise-grade solution designed to make maintenance smarter, simpler, and faster. iMarq is designed for your crew and your assets to simplify asset maintenance, make life easier for your crew, and boost uptime and productivity. With iMarq, any sheet of paper that you use today can be digitized, processed, and enriched, and that can be sent through a workflow and sent to the system of your choice. iMarq brings together predictive maintenance, advanced data capture, and real-time analytics into a unified platform, which ensures your operations remain efficient, connected, and always up to date. Seamless task management, efficient workflows, and intelligent asset tracking come together to minimize delays and maximize productivity, enabling a smoother, more coordinated operation. In complex maintenance environments, with assets spread across on-site and off-site locations, iMarq integrates with IoT and telematics systems to track asset health, providing the clarity and control essential for seamless management. With the addition of iBot, our maintenance assistant, you gain an intelligent tool that delivers predictive insights and conversational assistance, making it easier to stay ahead of maintenance needs and keep your operations running smoothly. iMarq's open architecture allows for ready, no-code integration with EAMs, ERPs, CMMS, and other third-party systems, as well as legacy and custom platforms, ensuring seamless data flow and uninterrupted operations. iMarq's customizable dashboards and real-time analytics give you a bird's-eye view of your entire maintenance landscape, helping you make strategic decisions that drive growth. Protecting your assets and your crew has never been easier. With iMarq, compliance becomes second nature, and safety protocols are consistently upheld, securing your operations with decisions grounded in real-time data and expert guidance. Built for your crew and your assets, iMarq is designed to make your maintenance smarter, leveraging intelligence and driving efficiency and leadership to propel your business forward. Join a fast-growing list of clients who trust iMarq to transform their maintenance operations. We're driven by our clients' success and trusted by industry leaders worldwide. Boost maintenance performance by empowering your crew with Connixt iMarq. Visit us at connixt.com and book a demo now.